Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Before we start, let's understand what VirtualBox is. VirtualBox is a free and powerful virtualization software that allows you to run different operating systems inside your Windows computer like Windows, Linux, or even older versions of Windows. It's perfect for testing, learning, and running multiple systems without affecting your main PC. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type VirtualBox and press Enter. From the search results, click the official website, virtualbox.org. Once the website opens, click on the download option. From the available versions, choose Windows hosts. This will download the installer file. After the download completes, right-click the file and select Open. The setup window will appear. Now you can close the browser. Click Next. Accept the license terms, then click Next again. VirtualBox will be installed in the default location, so leave everything as it is and click Next. It will give a warning that your internet will disconnect. Click Yes. Again, click Yes. It will create a Start menu entry and a desktop shortcut. Click Next. Then finally click Install. VirtualBox will now start installing on your system. When the installation finishes, you can uncheck the option, then click Finish. You will now see the desktop shortcut for Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can open it by clicking the shortcut or by searching Oracle VirtualBox and selecting it. Now that VirtualBox is installed, you can create virtual machines for Windows, Linux, or any OS you want. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.